Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Management Blueprint for high earners, and how smart planning can help reduce tax drag, improve cash flow, and keep more of what you earn from dividend income. To begin with, high earners often face a bigger tax impact because dividend income is added on top of salary, business income, interest, rental income, and other taxable earnings. As a result, even a strong dividend portfolio can become less efficient if the tax side is ignored. That is why dividend tax management is not only about earning more income, but also about keeping more income after taxes. First, know your income mix clearly. List your salary, business income, investment income, interest income, and dividend income. Then separate qualified and non-qualified dividends if that applies in your country. This step gives you a clear picture of how dividends fit into your total taxable income and whether extra dividends may push you into higher tax levels. Next, check your tax bracket. Your marginal tax rate plays a major role in dividend planning because high earners may pay more tax on additional income. Therefore, before taking more dividends, review the tax treatment in your jurisdiction and estimate how the extra income may affect your overall tax bill. When you understand your bracket, you can build a smarter strategy. After that, prioritize tax-efficient dividends. Not every dividend is taxed the same way. Some dividends may receive better tax treatment, while others may be taxed like ordinary income. Because of this, high earners should compare after-tax yield, not just headline yield. A dividend that looks attractive before tax may not be the best choice after tax. Then, plan when to take dividends. Timing can make a major difference. If you receive large dividend payments in a year when your income is already very high, your tax pressure may increase. However, spreading income when practical, coordinating dividends with bonuses, capital gains, or business profits, and avoiding unnecessary income bunching can help reduce tax drag. At the same time, use the right account location. Where you hold your dividend investments matters. Some assets may work better in taxable accounts, while others may be more efficient in retirement or tax-advantaged accounts. By matching high-tax assets with better account types, you may improve your after-tax return and keep more cash working for your goals. In addition, offset with losses or credits where allowed. If you have capital losses, foreign tax credits, or other eligible offsets, they may help reduce the total tax impact. However, good records are essential. Keep dividend statements, tax documents, expense records, and investment reports organized so your accountant can properly identify available opportunities. Moreover, coordinate family and entity planning. High earners may have spouses, trusts, companies, or business structures that affect tax planning. When used legally and correctly, broader household or entity-level planning may improve the overall result. However, this must be handled carefully because tax rules can be strict, especially around income splitting and related party arrangements. Finally, review your plan every year. Income levels change, tax laws change, portfolio values change, and personal goals change. Because of that, a dividend tax strategy should never be treated as a one-time setup. Instead, update your projections, review your portfolio choices, and adjust the plan regularly to stay efficient. Also remember that after-tax income is what truly matters. A high dividend yield is not always better if taxes reduce the final return. So instead of chasing only the biggest dividend, focus on what you actually keep after tax, how stable the income is, and how well the strategy supports your long-term wealth goals. Overall, a strong dividend tax management blueprint helps high earners reduce unnecessary tax drag, improve cash flow, and build wealth more efficiently. When you know your income mix, check your tax bracket, choose tax-efficient dividends, plan the timing, use the right account location, apply available offsets, coordinate family planning, and review yearly, you create a smarter system for keeping more money. This video is for general educational purposes only and does not constitute tax, legal, or financial advice. Tax rules vary by country and personal circumstances, so always consult a qualified tax professional or financial advisor before making any investment or tax decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.